Hi guys, good afternoon. I have a good video to show you all. Yes, it's Harley Street 750, Street Rod 750, iron 348 battery. Many people are facing problem with the battery. It gets worn out quickly, and there's a shortage from the company also, and other brand also are not able to provide the battery for Harley. So I have got a solution for this one. Yes, it's here. Yes, I've got the brand new Excite batteries in stock. It's compatible with Harley Street 750, all the models that I've told you just now. Street 750, IN 883, Street Rod 750, what else? Yes, 48. It can be directly installed, there is no alteration required. The weight is the same. I'll be waiting also, and this is not bullet battery, it's same voltage, everything is the same, and ampere is also, it's ETX 714, 12 volt, 12 ampere. See, the thickness, height, length with height is exactly the same as the original one. The weight is also the same. We'll be weighting it very soon. Okay, so this battery is directly compatible with Street 750 and other models. Just the difference is the terminal. The positive terminal is on the this side, say right side or left side, and for the original one it is on this side. Only you have to stretch the terminal and get it installed in the battery. This battery comes with 1 year warranty from Excite, and it's available with us. Soon I'll be posting this on my website also, otrstore.in. You can call me to order it. We can deliver it everywhere throughout the country, and cash on delivery for this product is not available. Let me just take a quick, not walk around, but quick turn around of this video. We get the fresh stock. These all are brand new. I'll be giving this one with warranty as told. No difference, and I have sold it to many customers, and they are happily enjoying the battery, the bike with this battery. No change. The damaged one, it is a brand new one. I've got, 1 second, बैटरी लेके आओ ना दोनों, चलो वजन कर लेते. I've got Harley Street 750 also. Unfortunately, I don't have mechanic to remove the battery and test it. Soon I'll be posting the video for testing it also. There's my bike. Weight for Excite battery is 4.9. दूसरी देखो. Oh, this one is heavier. So you are getting 40 grams discount on your overall weight of the bike. This is Harley. You can see the logo. It's 4.941. Thank you. So guys, for this battery you don't have to cut any plastic part or any inner part of the bike. Only you have to stretch the wire, which won't take more than 10 minutes. Plus 1 year warranty I'll be giving you. See ya.